What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Steve from the Minecraft movie. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. Start from the very top, come all the way around toward the bottom, and then back up. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. On the top left side of each eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle coming in for a highlight. And then line that up on the right side. And you want to fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now we're going to move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Starting on the left, let's curve this down and then up. Then we're going to move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now I want to add some expression to our character. So on the inside left eye, let's add the brow coming in and then up. Go back down, draw the bottom of the eyebrow going up and then down. Let's taper this so it gets wider as you come back in towards the brow. And I'm going to fill the eyebrow in black. Now over on the right side, I'm going to raise this eyebrow. So start on the inside, bend this up, and then down. Go back to the inside, go higher in the middle, and then back down. Let's fill the eyebrow in black. Now let's tuck the mustache in underneath the nose. Starting on the left side, bend this down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to connect the ends of the curve, coming down, and then back up. In the center, step down and add a short curve for the lower lip. Now we tuck the beard in underneath, stepping over towards the left, goes down and up underneath, go to the right and do the same thing. Now let's go to the outside of the eyes, step out and draw the edge of the beard. We're going to come down and then in behind the side of the mustache. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw a series of curves coming around the outside of the beard and then back up towards the right. So we start by going out and then down. Add another curve. Now I'm going to slowly work our way in towards the center. Add one in the middle. Now I'm just going to go over towards the right side, adding that same number of curves. Now we're going to go to the center of the head, move up towards the top. Let's add a point. Now I'm going to brush the hair coming down along the side. So let's start with the left. We'll go up, come down towards the eye, and then out towards the edge of the beard. And then do the same thing on the right side. Let's go back up to the top, draw a straight line separating the side of the hair. Now I'm going to draw the outside. Let's start back on the left. Going up, come down. And I want to bend this out and then bend that back in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up towards the same height, come down on the side and then out, and then we'll bend that in. Now let's draw the bottom of the hair. We're going to step out, turn this around and out, round out the bottom, and just pull that up underneath the beard. Now with the head complete, we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, just underneath the beard. We're going to bend the body going out and then down towards the hip. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now let's round out the bottom, coming down and then up. Let's move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now let's curve the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend this down and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And you want to curl that up towards the inside of the leg. Now let's go back up to the hips. We're going to draw the outside of the leg, bend these out, and then down on top of the feet. Along the bottom of the feet, we're going to add a thick sole. So you want to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. And now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway between the beard and the hip. We're going to start right here, bend the inside of the arm, going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and up around that bracket. Move down, draw the second finger, going out and then up. And then the third finger, we're going to blend this into the arm, going up and then in underneath. Now let's finish off by adding the edge of the sleeve, starting from the inside of the arm, and this up and then out. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Steve from the Minecraft movie. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.